Only Jesus TV.
This guy language dey for na you our people in Igbo Igbo by una na Enugu awa kwa mo Enugu because you can na biko unu ni nebu ndi no na Igbo no na outside the country no na UK na ebo no unu biko unu bata mo se nyamaka biko no mu no kambo ya sit down biko ya sit down biko sorry please okay say ayina ba okay ya Yoruba oya
ẹ mọ Nigeria ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ wa Laanu ni wọ́n yín o ẹ ní sùn ta o ẹ ní wá tẹ́ máa jẹ ti ọmọ yóò ní dánmọ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ mi ẹ ṣe mí ládùú o ọmọ ekere ni mi ẹ dákun ẹjọ́ mi fẹ́ fọkọ bí sílẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ìṣàánú mi nìkan mo ń gbé látọdún ìbọ̀ ẹjọ́ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ó ti pin mí lẹ́mìí ẹjọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kú torí tí ràn lọ́wọ́ bá sí ikú ló kàn ẹjọ́ ẹ dákun ìṣàánú mi ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ìyá mi ti darúgbó ó lè jẹun ọmọ ẹjọ́ kọ́ mi náà ló tọ́jú mọ́ mi ni ẹgbẹ́ tó ti kọ́ lápá kọ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ìyá mi náà ti ń jìyà ẹjọ́ Laanu yóò ní wá ní dúró bọ̀ aláìsàn ẹ dákun ẹjọ́ ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ àánú la wá lọ Libya ẹjọ́ bá ṣe dé lélẹ̀ sílé òkú sí nǹkan ẹjọ́ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ dákun
ẹ ti ẹ̀kọ́ ṣíyà náà ẹjọ́ kò
eléyìí má dẹ̀ tún lágbára o irú ogun wo lélẹ̀ gbogbo ènìyàn èrò Libya lẹ́ ń wò yìí o àtọkọ àti ìyàwó wọn bímọ mẹ́ta ẹ wo nǹkan kan ni ó jọ mí lójú ló ṣe mí ní kàyéfì o nínú ìgbé ayé àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí nígbà tí ọkọ tó ń ṣàfù lọ́wọ́ tó ń sanwó bọ́gà padà nǹkan kan ò ṣe o nígbà tó wá sanwó bọ́gà tán tó kú kóun náà máa wá jẹ èrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ní Libya ní nǹkan wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ wò ó ní agbára accident ní lórí kíni lórí kẹ̀kẹ́ níbo ń bẹ̀ á ṣàlàyé gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá lẹ máa gbọ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ torí Agbala Gabriel fi ọ̀rọ̀ wa lẹ́nu wò ó sì ṣàlàyé bó ṣe jẹ́ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share fídíò gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe gbọ́ ẹ bá wa share lórúkọ Jésù Kristi ìdààmú ayé ò ní dé bá wa o ní rí àjálù burúkú o ohun tá a rò kò ní bà nǹkan tá a rò jẹ́ mò ń bọ̀ ná ó yá lókè lọ́hùn.
àwọn tẹ ẹ náà wá láti Libya ni ó yá kọ́ mi fọ́kàn ẹ mọ̀ bá ń gbé àga yẹn lálàáfíà lẹ́wà kí lórúkọ yín.
Isaac.
What do you call your name?
My name is Isaac, sir.
Isaac.
Yes, sir.
Are you not a Yoruba man?
No, sir. No, sir.
Come here. Auntie, how are you? Show ọmọ yín ni. Ọmọ yín ni. Ẹ jókòó. Ọmọ mélòó lẹ bí? Ọmọ mẹ́ta. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, sir.
Ẹ jẹ́ n jókòó mi báyìí. Hey! Libya ni bọ̀dá yìí ti dé. Wọ́n lò. You spent how many years?
Close to 7 years.
7 years. Then what is wrong with you here? Kí ló ṣe yín bí?
What happened is this. When I went to Libya.
Please speak louder.
When I went to Libya, after finished paying my burger, so the time I was supposed to start working to take care of my wife and kid because we went together, I had this accident and my leg.
Wait. You said when you went to Libya.
Yes.
Then after paying what?
After paying the person that took me there.
Okay, someone took you there, so you have to pay that person.
Yes.
Okay.
So after paying the person, after I finished paying, I started hustling.
You started hustling after paying the money you have to pay. Okay,
yes.
Okay.
So in the process of working, I had an accident because we used.
In the process of you working, you had an accident.
Yes.
Okay.
So I was not able. The hand and the leg.
The hand and the leg.
Yes.
How come? Are you driving or how?
I use bicycle.
Bicycle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you guys went together.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ọkọ àti ìyàwó ni wọ́n dẹ̀ bí mẹ́ta. This man is not a Yoruba, is Enugu. So, and you know what we are doing here is irrespective of the tribe. We have no concern about tribe. Ours is to show mercy to whom mercy is due. Your your name is Isaac, right?
Isaac Ogun.
Now, how did you get accident? As in, what accident she just lower you?
I am on the bike, driving to work. So another vehicle opened the door.
Okay.
And hit me from the chest. So another motor that is coming from the back hit me. That was how the accident. He hit me. The two of the car. The one that hit at the back. So yes. When they did scan for me, they say there is fracture in my bone at the back. 11 and 12 has fracture.
So didn't you treat yourself at Libya? Why don't you treat yourself there?
The Libyan people, their hospital, they don't usually attend to we blacks.
Eh?
They don't usually attend to we blacks.
Why?
I don't really know. We went to different hospitals, but no, they would ask us they don't have the instrument to treat the hand. So I could not be able to do anything again. Now I have wife and kids.
Okay, like you had this kid in Libya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it?
You have senior brother.
He has another brother.
Okay, so 3 children.
Yeah, I have 1 girl and 2 boys.
Now Libya ni wọ́n ti wá. Please share this program. Man yìí Libya ni wọ́n ti l'accident. Kì í ṣe pé Libya ni wọ́n ń gbé o, Nigeria ni wọ́n ń gbé o. Kan tó lọ sí Libya. So now from Nigeria they went to Libya. Lati Libya, they went to work. While working, the husband had an accident. Kí la fẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Now wọ́n dé sí Nigeria padà ń sìn kò sí kankan mọ́. They had nothing. Now what do you want to do?
Now what I want to do is this. I want to treat my hand and the leg so I can be
You want to treat your hand?
Yes, sir. They will have to redo it because I can't use it to do anything. Nobody can give me work like this.
So you can't so you can't do anything with this hand?
No. I can't raise it up more than this. Yes. It can't go more than this.
And this leg, Abi?
Yes, the leg.
Am I she? Okay, this no she.
Yes.
And this one. Madam kí lẹ fẹ́?
Ìrànlọ́wọ́ ọmọ Nàìjíríà ni mo fẹ́. Kò sílé, nílé, ìtàláwà.
Okay, any sùúrù like ṣé tún nílé mọ́ báyìí?
Nílé.
Kò síbi tẹ́ ń gbé.
Yàrá kan là ń sùn pẹ̀lú ìyá mi. Lórí ilẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀tàn rẹ̀, ibẹ̀ ni mo mi wà. Àgbàlagbà going to 7 years.
So you and the husband, you are now living with your own mother.
My mommy.
Your mommy. Don't need that mother. So you and your husband, you are not Edide na.
The thing is really worse. Look at my situation. Look at that. There's no way I can take care of these children. I can't take care of them this way.
So you can't walk because of this hand?
I can't walk because of this hand. And my children, the 2 of them, none of them have started school. None of them have started school. None of them.
And you are Igbo, Abi?
Yes, I'm an Igbo.
You are Igbo?
Yes, sir.
I have Igbo on my platform. I have Igbo. Can you talk to our Igbo people in your language?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
Biko ndibai umu Igbo. Afam Buchukwemeka, afam bu Isaac Ogbu. And abu m onye Enugu na Kaanu. Aga m ala Libya ka nsi wee gbajie aka na ọkpa na na-ekweru ndị be m now enweghị ka m ga-esi wee nekọta fa anya biko enyemaka ka m chọrọ because anyị enwere ebe anyị bi ebi unu ebe anyị ga-ebi na anyị enwere ife anyị nwe na eno ka m na ụmụaka m si wee nọ biko Libya ka anyị si wee bata dị egwu ife nwa na ejugo ma biko ụmụnne m unu nyere m aka biko unu nyere m aka na ọ ya adịla unu na mma biko ka m nwee ike wee nekọta ndị be m anya biko unu ayọ ka m na-ayọ ka m wike wee nekọta ụmụ nwaanyị anya biko unu nyere m aka biko
egbo biko unu yere m aka biko unu sorry I just have to speak your language. What is biko unu? Biko unu
means please have mercy.
Speak your language again and please open your mouth.
Yes, sir.
I have people on my platform.
Biko unu nyere m aka na ụmụnne unu ka
biko you went to Libya.
Yes, aga m na Libya na enu ka ife si wee dịrị m biko unu nyere m aka na kịta aka anyị batara na enweghị onye ife don enwere ka m mesi wee nenu biko ayọ ka nna ayọ biko unu nyere m aka na ebe ife nwa na biko nenu ndị be m anya unu biko
call your people in Enugu, your people because they will have mercy on you.
Yes.
They will pay this hospital bill. Yes. You will rent house. Please, you will start work.
Yes, sir.
People will donate help to you. They will donate help for you. And and you will be free from this problem. Speak down your language again, Paul. Our people in Igbo.
Igbo by ọnụ na Anambra ndị Enugu awa bụkwa m onye Enugu biko ya ka nji wee na-asị biko unu
over the world
unu niile bụ ndị nọ n'ala Igbo nọ na outside the country nọ na UK na ebe ọbụla unu nọ unu biko unu gbata m ọsọ enyemaka biko na ụmụnne unu ka mbụ
sit down biko sit down biko sorry please okay say ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ okay oya so Yorùbá oya
ọmọ Nàìjíríà ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ Laanu ni wọ́n yín o
ẹ
ní sùn ta o ẹ ní wá tẹ́ máa jẹ́ ti ọmọ yín ò ní dánmọ́ lọ́mọ ẹ wò mí ẹ ò ṣe mí Laanu o ọmọ kékeré ni mí ẹ dákun ẹjọ́ mi ìfẹ́ fọkọ bí sílẹ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ ṣàánú mi nìkan mò ń gbé látọdún ìbọ̀ ẹjọ́ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ó ti pin mí lẹ́mìí ẹjọ́ ẹ má jẹ́ kú torí tí ràn lọ́wọ́ ò bá sí ikú ló kàn ẹjọ́ ẹ dákun ẹ ṣàánú mi ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ìyá mi ti darúgbó kó lè jẹun ọmọ ẹjọ́ ọkọ mi náà ló ń tọ́jú mọ́mì mi àgbà tó ti kọ́ lápá kọ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ìyá mi náà ti ń jìyà ẹjọ́ Laanu yóò ní wà ní dúrọ́bù aláìsàn ẹ dákun ẹjọ́ ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ àánú la wá lọ Libya ẹjọ́ bá ṣe dé lélẹ̀ sílé òkú sí nǹkan ẹjọ́ ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ dákun
ẹ gbọ́ ẹ ti ẹ̀kọ́ ṣí àná ẹ jókòó ẹ ti ẹ̀kọ́ bá mi ṣí àìná because your share can go a long way in helping them. Your share can go a long way. People will see it. In fact, most of his own tribe will see him. Gbogbo àti Yorùbá àti Igbo àti gbogbo ẹ̀ náà là ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ papọ̀. I am pleading to you in the name of the Lord. Let's show our brother mercy. He is very young. Sir, how old are you? How old are you?
43 years. I'm 43, sir.
43 years.
Yes.
He's still very young. 43 years. His name is Isaac. Isaac what?
Isaac Obum. Isaac Obum.
Isaac Obum.
Ogbu, OGBU.
Okay, Isaac Ogbu.
Ogbu, yes,
okay,
sir.
please. So that he said he can walk. He said he can walk, but this hand cannot even allow him to do anything for now, because the the accident affected his left hand and the left leg. Please, let's come together and support him. Let's come together to show him our kindness. Please, please. The wife is young, the husband is young. They are 3 kids. The 3 kids, the 3 kids were not going to school. Now, please, ẹ bá ń dìde sọ̀rọ̀ wọn, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ wá share. Wọ́n máa lọ 600,000. They will use 600,000 for the hand and the leg. Then after that, they need to gather themselves. The wife will start work. The husband will start work. The children will go to school. They will rent house. Then after that, they will start another life again. Don't go to Libya again, no.
Libya is not easy.
Don't go to Libya again, no. Don't go to
I won't go there again.
Oh yeah, beg people. Send me them. Support you. Beg.
Please, I help you. Please. I am begging. Please, look at my situation. Please, look at my children. Please, don't let this boy suffer. He has not started school and he's very, very brilliant. He can speak very well. He's very brilliant, but he has to go to school. Please,
do you have account?
Yes, I do.
Do you have account?
Yes, I do.
Do you know your account?
Yes, I know.
Oh yeah, call your account. Your account.
23
77
48 71 50
again.
23 77 48 71 50
again.
23 77 48 71 50.
What bank?
Zenith Bank, sir.
Zenith Bank. What name?
Isaac Obu.
Isaac Obu.
Yes, sir.
Isaac Obu. Please call the account again.
23 77 48 71 50
again.
23 77 48 71
50.
Yes, sir.
Zenith Bank,
sir.
Isaac Obu. If they show you mercy, what will you do? Will you praise God?
I will praise God forever in my life. I will keep serving
God. If they
God.
show you mercy, what will you do?
I will keep praising God. I will keep thanking God.
Will you also have mercy on your ẹnìkejì rẹ your
No,
second people?
I will always have mercy.
We always have mercy.
I will always have mercy.
Please,
ẹ bá mi ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́.
Please.
Don't prostrate.
ẹ ṣàánú ọkọ mi ẹjọ́ ẹjọ́ ọkọ gidi ni o kò fìyà jẹ wọ́n ẹjọ́
stand up. It is well with you. ẹ bá ń share ẹ bá ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. So ẹni tí a bá fẹ́ pè mí bóyá nǹkan mọ̀ wọ́n nọ́mbà tẹ́lẹ̀ pè mí sí 07054 900 751. You want to call me? You want to speak with them, or you want to discuss any issue with us? 07054 900 751. Feel free to come to our WhatsApp. God bless you. Share it, please.
Ó máa ṣe o. Gbogbo àtàdéjọ́wọ́ fọ́nrán yìí ẹ ṣeun lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Mo dúpẹ́ fún àkókò yín àti dátà yín tá a fi wo fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ wo ìgbé ayé arákùnrin yẹn, òṣèlè tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí. Mo gbàdúrà olórúkọ Jésù nígbà tó bá tó àkókò fún wa láti máa jẹ èrè òógùn wa, iṣẹ́ wa, làálàá wa, àdánwò ayé kò ní dé bá wa o. Ṣẹ̀rí lè ń gbẹnu tán táìmù àkókò tó wá tó kóun náà máa wá sin rẹ̀ nígbà tó ti sanwó ẹni tó gbé wá sí Libya tó ti sanwó ẹ̀ tán kóun náà máa wá jẹ ọrọ̀ kó máa ṣiṣẹ́ kó máa jẹ làálàá èrè ìbùkún làálàá ẹ̀ kó tọ́jú aya kó tọ́jú ọmọ kó tọ́jú ẹbí ó wá di wàhálà ó wá wọnú ìṣòro lọ. Eléyìí ò ní jẹ́ ìpín wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wọn share ẹ bá wọn share kán lè tètè rí aláàánú àti olùrànlọ́wọ́ tiwọn. Gbogbo àwọn mo sọ fún wa nígbà kan nínú àwọn fọ́nrán tí mo ti gbé wá pé gbogbo àwọn tágbàlá Gabriel ń gbé wá oníkálukú ló ní olùrànlọ́wọ́ tiẹ̀. Ẹ bá wọn share kí wọ́n lè rí olùrànlọ́wọ́ tiwọn náà. Padà ṣe share náà aláàánú tiwa olórí tiwa náà lórúkọ Jésù. Ọlọ́run á ṣí àwọn kan wá ní agbára Ọlọ́run. Láìpẹ́ á tún padà wá ní àlàáfíà.